All right.
Good.
What's her name? Does she have a name yet?
Did you bring that with you?
Kennedy, what do you got? What do you got? Another baby? What do you got, bud?
What's that?
You got, it was a boat. That's just garbage, sweetie. That's garbage. That's garbage.
That's empty.
Empty.
Very Hey, look at this. That's all you got, bud. You don't got no more presents.
That's it.
Wow.
This one's
I hope you're happy.
Oh, I think she wants a hug. Oh.
What was that?
She needs a nap too.
Oh, way to go on the
Oh,
boat.
jeez. Both of them just beat, huh?
Whoa.
Easy. Did you take a spill?
Yeah.
Looky what Grandma got.
There you go.
You gotta turn it around, bud. Turn it over. What are you doing? Tearing the paper off. Hey,
Give her a pull.
This is.
Give her a good yank.
This one's Kennedy's, sweetie.
Carter, look.
Carter.
Look at what you got.
Carter,
Look
cat.
what you got.
Hey, you gonna finish opening this one? Hey. Hello. Finish opening this one.
Okay.
wow. What is that?
Look, it's a box.
Oh, you gotta get
You got a box.
Yeah. Good.
Okay.
Open my hair.
Wow. Is that cool?
All right. Some clothes?
Ooh, those are pretty clothes. There, grab the camera. Camera.
Carter, what do you got, bud?
Let me be in one. I'm never in any. I'm never in any. This is from us and your daddy. Look at your eyeball. Yeah. Griffin. Fine.
What's that? Fun.
Cool.
It's a kitchen set for your babies. Hell yeah.
Hey,
You can watch your baby right here, and you can cook us dinner on here, so no more cooking for daddy. No more cooking for grandma. You're in charge of all the cooking from now on.
A baby.
Go get him a baby. No?
Yeah, no, probably not. Laska was trying to get her to watch Barney. I was like, she likes Dora.
Oh, Barney's a
Barney is not okay. Huh, Tara?
yeah, Tara.
She told on us. She told that we locked her out and told her Barney was looking for her.
Put the couch in front of the door.
They were mad about that for a while. They're like, you guys locked her out and told her Barney was looking for her.
Hey, you. It's not a horse.
Yeah, what are you doing? Bring your toy over here. Bring that over here.
What do you got?
It's a little heavy, Daddy.
Go push that today.
Is that an airport?
Push it, push it, push it.
What's-
Oh, big boy.
What's that? It's heavy?
Yeah.
Let's see what it is.
Yeah, Tara said after we got it home, but thanks for letting me know they had a handle on it. Carried it in awkwardly.
Open it, Daddy.
Well, it's still got to get built, baby. We'll have to build it.